Warning, some clips may be disturbing to some viewers, but viewers' discretion is advised. Welcome to Chef Henry Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna make roasted chicken right here in Portland, Jamaica. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. I am going to catch and prepare the chicken that I'm gonna roast. Time to add season to the chicken. I wash the chicken in lime juice. You can use vinegar. Now I'm gonna add some powder seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, meat seasoning, and some jerk seasoning. Regular onion, and also some green onion with some thyme. I am adding the all-purpose seasoning. Follow up by the meat seasoning. And I forget to mention chicken seasoning. Now for the jerk seasoning. Follow up by the chicken seasoning. I'm gonna cut up some thyme and these thyme grow locally in Jamaica. Follow up by my green onion, and I know lots of you know it as scallion. And all of these green seasoning and powder season gonna give the chicken all of that seasoned goodness. And I'm telling you, I'm enjoying the beautiful sunshine right here in Portland, Jamaica. Now for my regular onion. Now I'm gonna rub all of my powder seasoning all over the chicken, and I'm gonna add all the green seasoning inside the chicken so you can get the inside of the chicken well seasoned. And this roasted chicken recipe, it's gonna be an amazing recipe. And I'm gonna do this over open flame. Now the chicken is finished seasoning. I'm gonna cover the chicken with a piece of banana leaf to let the chicken marinate for 20 minutes while I get the fire ready. I'm using these corner blocks for the base of the fire. and I'm gonna add some to the back side of the fire, and this gonna stop the wind and hold the heat in the fire. Then I'm gonna get my fire timbers, and guess what, my sister show up from the US, and she's an army personnel, and she show up, and I'm glad to have my sister here. Look, she said she a hot girl, but she a cut up fire stick. And I'm glad that my sister is here to help me. Now the fire is complete, it's time to add the chicken and this piece of bamboo. And this is gonna be my roastery stick. And I'm gonna use these pieces of bamboo to poke the inside the chicken, and this gonna help the chicken to stay in one place. There is hole cut in the bamboo to hold the chicken. This piece of bamboo now gonna hold the legs closed, so none of the green season fell out of the chicken while it's turning over the fire. Now I finished loading the chicken, it's time to add it over the fire. And everyone gonna love this amazing setup. I'm gonna roast the chicken, and I'm gonna roast it for an hour and a half over open flame. And this roasted chicken recipe, I have confidence in this because this is what we do in Portland, Jamaica. I'm gonna show you guys this. This piece of stick is used as the brake. So if I want the chicken to stay one place, I shove this piece of stick in, and then this won't turn again.
Wally ba fire and eat this now, no? Alright. I eat cooked food, you know.
In this pot, I cut up onion, scallion, and thyme, and I added the same seasoning that I used to season the chicken. I'm making a dipping sauce, and this sauce I'm gonna use to coat the chicken. So I'm just letting it come to a boil. Now I'm gonna apply the first coat, and I'm using a piece of sugar cane. I turn it into a brush. Just have to be creative. And I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna coat this chicken every 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna let my sister apply the second coat. Time to check on my roasted chicken. I'm using a fork and I'm gonna poke the chicken, and the chicken is finished roasting, and it's time to remove it from the fire. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of the roasted chicken. This chicken is well roasted. Check out that beautiful color. Now my sister is gonna cut a piece of banana leaf. This is what we're gonna rest the chicken on. Now she's gonna wash it off to ensure it's clean. So important we be creative. Now the chicken is on the table. It's time to remove the pieces of bamboo. That's all the chicken. Now I'm going to remove the chicken from the bamboo. It's time to cut into my chicken. The chicken look good, and look, check out all the green seasoning on the inside. It started raining and I'm excited to try a piece of this roasted chicken, and I cut a piece of chicken breast and it roasts all the way through, and I'm going in for a taste. This chicken is well seasoned. Oh my god, this chicken is so delicious. And guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and check out the rest of the video.